Hi guys, this is Mark. This is the cover of Super Bass by Nicki Minaj. Lakas makakover, no? Wala kasi akong magawa sa bahay since umuulan. Signal number 3 dito sa amin. Kaninang umaga pumasok ako, 6:30. Tapos pagdating ko ng school, walang school service kaya umuwi na lang ako. And usual, late yung mga nag-GM. Kaya nga gusto kong manakal eh. So, para hindi na lang maging negative vibes buong araw ko, gumawa ko ng something nakakaiba. Kasi frustration ko talaga yung singing. Kaya lang, naniniwala ako kay Ann Curtis na this has something to do with your voice. Nasa fighting spirit mo yan. Yung first verse lang yung ginawa ko, then yung chorus. I hope you like it. Malakas talaga fighting spirit ko eh. This one's for the boys with the booming system, top down ECU with the cooling system. When you come up in the club, you be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like you're saving up. And the L, your L, you might get a L. You pop bottles when you get a right kettlebell. You cold, you dope, you might start cold. You're always in the air, but you never fly coach. It's a motherfucking trip, sell in the ship. Trying to make it dip, kids them on the lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, to get started, you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my life try to comply. I mean, it's so shy, and I love it, it's fire. You're like secret in the guy with a thing on his eye. Oh, yes I did. Somebody please tell me the F.I. is. I am Arcangelo, I'm Marcus up. Back hooked up. Boy, you got my heartbeat running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that boom, ba-doom, boom, boom, ba-doom, boom, bass? You got that super bass. Boom, ba-doom, boom, boom, ba-doom, boom, bass. You got that super bass. Rock. Yan, tapos na yung kalokohan ko. Well, thanks for watching my vid, and sa lahat ng frustrated singers sa buong mundo, alam nyo guys, wala sa boses siya, nasa fighting spirit lang yan. Add me on my FB account at Twitter, DacBoyManuel22@yahoo.com. Then you can also subscribe on my YouTube account, manuritomotoya@bucketmail.com. Nakas talaga ng loob. Tapos, I hope hindi kayo na-trauma at hindi nyo na pa kailangan ng counseling right after watching this vid. See you guys on my next cover. If you have your suggestions, just leave comments under. O kaya, you can like it. Make sure na ipasuggest nyo hindi kaya ni Charis, yung nahihirapan si Angelica, si Regine, tapos hindi kaya ni Gary V at saka ni Ogie Alcacid. Make sure yung sobrang taas. Yung kaya ng range ko. Yan, medyo nakakulitan na kayo. Bye-bye.